Welcome po to Reviewers, a compilation of exam reviewers and item explanations. Here's to another geometry problem. One side of a triangle is 3 centimeters longer than the shortest side, and the other side is 4 centimeters longer than the shortest side. How long is the shortest side if the perimeter is 67 centimeters? Is it A, 20 centimeters, B, 21 centimeters, C, 23 centimeters, D, 24 centimeters, E, 27 centimeters? So this time po, geometry problems pa rin po siya kasi nga po, we are given here with a figure. And we are all familiar with the figure of a triangle. It's a three-sided polygon. And we are asked here about the measurement of the shortest side. Now, let's just assume that my drawing is accurate po. May shortest side po dyan. And yung two sides have a relationship to that shortest side. And overall, their perimeter, okay, is 67 centimeters. Yung perimeter po natin is yung total po pag i-add po natin yung measurements ng mga side. Say for example, this side here plus this side here plus the measurement of this side, that's 67 centimeters. So yung tanong is about the shortest side. So we can apply here the concept of algebra before we could come up with the translation and equation. Since yung shortest side yung hinahanap, let x be our shortest side. Okay? That's our shortest side. After we are done naming or representing our shortest side by x po, okay, we can now make relations and interpretations or expressions for each of the remaining two sides. Let's start with this. One side, so this is, I cannot say this is a shortest, I mean the longest kasi nga 3 centimeters longer lang naman siya. Okay? So this side of a triangle is 3 centimeters longer. So kung x yung shortest side po natin, if this side is 3 centimeters longer, the next side is x plus 3 centimeters. I am dropping muna yung unit of centimeters kasi para di po tayo mahirapan mag-interpret sa C and M as probably variables. So this is our first side. I'm just calling this first side in difference to our shortest side. So again, 3 centimeters longer. So pwede pong isulat yan na 3 plus x. Pwede din x plus 3. Pwede yung magka-interchange kasi nga po, they're under addition, and addition is commutative. Pwede po yung dalawang yan. So, I'm just going to use x plus 3 para po di masyadong complicated yung process natin. And the other side, let's call this last side. Okay? Para what do you call this one? Contrasting lang yung tatlo. We have here 4 centimeters longer than the shortest side. So since the shortest side again is x, this would be x plus 4 centimeters again. So these are all the representations po ng tatlong side using the first representation for the shortest side, which is x. So ano po ang gagawin natin next? We are going to connect this to the idea of the perimeter. So if this is, I'm not sure what if ito po yung shortest side, this is our first side, this is the last side. The perimeter is the total when adding all of these three. So since the perimeter is 67 centimeters, we can add all of these three and equate it to 67 so that we will have an equation. We have here x plus, that's our shortest side, plus our first side which is x plus 3, plus our last side x plus 4. Now, some of you, di na po gagamit ng parenthesis. Ako, ginagamit ko lang po to just illustrate that they are different, the three different sides. This is equal to 67 centimeters. Again, I'm dropping the centimeters po. Again, ito po yung shortest side. Ito po yung first side. This is our last side. This is our perimeter. So, basically, you add all the three to get our perimeter. So, from here, we'll have algebraic expressions na po without grouping, plus x plus 4 here, again equal to 67. So we will combine the variables 1, 2, 3. That's that 3x. Don't forget that we are to copy only the variable, not x cubed. And then 3 plus 4 is 7, equal to 67. Then let me use this side. Again, rewrite here 3x plus 7 equal to 67. We subtract here 7 here para matanggal po to siya. Okay? 3x is equal to 60. And then finally divide by 3. Divide by 3. You will get a value of x which is equal to 20. And this is more importantly 20 centimeters when we return to the original unit. So this is the answer po, and that's actually letter A for this item, 20 centimeters. Now this is already okay, and since during examination, time pressured po tayo, you don't need to do the next thing I will do here, but I'm going to illustrate it further para kung may time naman kayo for review, pwede nyo gamitin to. Of course, this is already 20 centimeters now. So the first side, which is 3 centimeters longer than the shortest side, that's 23 centimeters. That's 20 plus 3. In the last side, 4 centimeters longer than the shortest side, so that's 24 centimeters. If you're going to add all of these 3, will it reach the perimeter of 67 centimeters? The question here is yes. That's 7. 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6 unit of centimeters. That is the proof that your answer of 20 centimeters is correct. And that's already the answer to this item of geometry. Once again po, ito po yung reviewers. Don't forget po to subscribe on our channel, like our videos, and if kaya naman po, pakishare na lang din po. And leave a comment po for our future videos improvement. And follow our FB page and stay tuned for more videos. Maraming salamat!